Hello, it's Friday, September the 25th. My name's Mike, and this is the cover for Caravan's news of the week. We'll start off with Stephen Wills and Carla, a lovely sausage casserole that Stephen cooked. Posh Cats Camping, a video from North Devon. Colin's Caravan Capers, replacing the leaking tap. Tintenta, a look at the Bailey Discovery with wrap-around awning. Caravaning with the Coxes, having a look at the new Bailey Pegasus Grande. Disadvantaged Journey, heater pros and cons. Desmond's Donders at Drooming Castle. The latest from Legs Down, the Broadway Caravan and Motorhub Club site review. Love of Caravans, South Phoenix Mine, Lincoln Horn in Lisgard, if I pronounce that right. The Slows are a new channel to have a look at. So check them out. That's Simon, Susie and Sully. Their first vlog, they're from Slowly Does It. Cue Ball on the Caravan, have a look at the waste pipe supports. Today also in history, 1066 was the Battle of Stamford Bridge, not football related I gather. Today is also a one-hit wonder day, so I'll try and do one I do know, which is Chesney Hawkes, the one and only. I'm not going to sing it for you. Have a great weekend everyone, and see you next week.